This is Mathematics of Class 4 of NCERT. Today we discuss Chapter 2, that is Long and Short of Class 4. Today we learn about conversion of units. Now do this activity and write it on your copy. Remember, you have to write this. The activity about the heights of the members of your family. First, you have to find the heights in centimeters of the members of your family. Then answer the following questions. Your height in centimeter. Who is the tallest in your family? Write the name. Who is the shortest in your family? Write the name. What is the difference between their heights? This should be done in centimeter. So what we have to do? Find the heights in centimeter of the members of your family. You have to write the names and their heights. You have to make two columns in a table. This is a table, and then you have to make two columns. First column, the name, and in the second column, heights. And the height should be in centimeter. Then write the name and their respective heights of your members of your family. Okay, now your height in centimeter. Who is the tallest in your family? Who is the shortest in your family? What is the difference between their heights? This should be in centimeter. Next, previous day I have given few questions and I told you to solve. This is for those who can't solve it, they write. And those who was able to solve it, just check whether your answer are right or wrong. Just write and check and show me. Don't forget to show me. Now, length of a bus. More than 10 meters, a teacher's desk about 1 meter, a straw around 15 centimeter, a safety pin around 3 centimeter, a pencil nib less than a centimeter, length of a sari more than 5 meters. I repeat this. Length of a bus more than 10 meters, a teacher's desk about 1 meter, a straw around 15 centimeter, a safety pin around 3 centimeter, a pencil nib less than a centimeter, length of a sari more than 5 meters. Write it, and those who was able to solve it, just check. Now, this is a story of Jhumpa's reading. This is the picture of Jhumpa. Now, this story tells about Jhumpa once read a list of the tallest people in the world. One of them was 272 centimeter tall, that is 272 centimeter. That is just double of Jhumpa's height. How tall is Jhumpa? Find this in centimeter because the height is given in centimeter. What Jhumpa tells? Wow, his height is exactly double my height. Imagine, could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? Will his head touch the roof of your house if he stands straight? Write everything in your copy. Write. Write this in your copy. I repeat, write this. Write. And to find the answers. Imagine. Also write this in the copy. Next. This is about metric conversion. This is a very important concept. Now, to remember this, we have to remember a trick, that is a poem. The poem is about King Henry, who was died by chocolate milk, or who died because of unusual drinking of chocolate milk. Now read. King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. Close your eyes and repeat the poem with me. King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. Always repeat the poem. Here, king means kilo, Henry, hecto, diet, deca, unusually, unit, drinking, deci, chocolate, centi, milk, milli. Now, what is written? Divide numbers by 10 if you are getting bigger. Multiply numbers 10 if you are getting smaller. That is, if I want to go from kilo to unit, I have to multiply it by 1 times 10, 2 times 10, 3 times 10. Now, if I want to go Henry to unit, that is hecto to unit, I have to multiply it 10 into 10 because I have to jump 2 place, 1 place, 2 place. Similarly, if I want to go from deca to meter, then I have to multiply it 1 times 10. I think it is clear to everybody. That is written here what I have told, that 1 kilo is equal to 1000 unit, 1 hecto is equal to 100 unit, 1 deca is equal to 10 unit. Now, if I want to go this side, then what's happened? 10 deci is equal to 1 unit, 100 centi is equal to 1 unit, 1000 milli is equal to 1 unit. Why? Because if I want to go deci, then I have to multiply by 10, smaller than a unit. 10 into smaller than a unit. That is, if it is 1 unit, then it implies 10 deci because I have to jump 1 place. If I want to go centi, then 10 into 10 smaller than a unit, that is a unit is equal to 10 into 10 centi, that is 100 centi. If I want to go milli, then 10 into 10 into 10 smaller than a unit, that is 1 unit is equal to 1000 milli. I repeat the thing. If I want to go kilo, kilo means 1000 times larger than a unit. If I want to go hecto, this means 100 times larger than a unit because 1 jump, 2 jump. 1 jump means 10, 2 jumps means 10 into 10. If I want to go deca, then 10 times larger than a unit. If I want to go deci, then 10 times smaller than a unit. This one larger, this one smaller. If I want to go centi, this means 10 into 10 times smaller than a unit. This was larger. Now, if I want to go milli, this means 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000 times smaller than a unit. And left hand side, it was larger. So, left hand side means larger than a unit. Right hand side means smaller than a unit. And how many larger and how many smaller? This determines the count of jumps. 1 jumps means 10 times, 2 jumps means 10 into 10 times, 3 jumps means 10 into 10 into 10 times, that is 1000 times. Now, here there should be a correction, that is spelling of meter. We follow British writing, metre, liter, litre. Here also correction for the spelling of liter and meter. Now, for measurement of length, we use meter, that is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. If I want to measure liquid of or volume of liquid, that is liquid volume, then I use liter, L-I-T-R-E, that is kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. If I want to measure the mass or weight of a thing, of a person, of any grocery items, then I use gram, that is kilogram, hectogram, decagram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Here, these are the notations. Km means kilometer, Kl hectoliter, kg kilogram, meter metre, liter litre, and before meter it is kilometer here, before liter it is kiloliter here. Kilometer means kg notation, kiloliter means kl notation. Now, if I want to go hm, that is hectometer, it is denoted by hm, and if I write hl, then hectoliter, hg is hectogram. Here you have to write this, that is hm, it is hectometer, metre, hl hectoliter, hectolitre. Now dam, dam, decameter, dal, decaliter, dec, decagram. Remember the spelling, DECAMETRE, that is METRE. I repeat this every time. Don't make any mistakes of spelling. M is meter, L is liter, G is gram, DM is decimeter, DL is deciliter, DG is decigram, cm is centimeter, cl is centiliter, cg is centigram, mm is millimeter, ml is milliliter, mg is milligram. For example, 5 kilo, 50 hecto, 500 deca, 5000 units, 50,000 deci, 5 lakh centi, then milli. Milli is 50 lakh. Now, divide numbers by 10 if you are getting bigger. Same as moving decimal point one place to the left. Multiply numbers by 10 if you are getting smaller. Same as moving decimal point one space to the right. Just read this. Next, what I have said, how to convert centimeter to meter. That is, kilometer into thousand is equal to meter. Meter into 100 is equal to centimeter. Centimeter into 10 is equal to millimeter. If I want to go millimeter to centimeter, I have to divide the number by 10. If I want to go centimeter to meter, I have to divide the number by 100. If I want to go meter to kilometer, I have to divide the number by 1000. That is, if I want to go from left hand side to right hand side, I have to multiply the number, and if I want to go right hand side to the left hand side, I have to divide the number. That is, if I want to go bigger unit to smaller unit, I have to multiply. If I want to go smaller unit to bigger unit, I have to divide. And these ones also have to be right on your copy. I repeat this, write everything. That is, 10 kilometer is equal to how much meter? Multiply it by 1000, because I have to convert kilometer to meter. That is, 10 into 1000 is equal to 10,000 meter. 100 centimeter is equal to how many meter? Divide it by 100, because I want to go centimeter to meter. What I want to go? Divide by 100. That is, 100 by 100 is equal to 1 meter. Write this in your copy. Next, conversion between units of length. Note, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Write this In your copy, write, I repeat, write this. Now, convert the following lengths into the units indicated. Here, what is written? 7 meter 62 centimeter into centimeter. Now, what I have to do? What I know? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Here, 7 meter is equal to 7 into 100 centimeter is equal to 700 centimeter. So 7 meters is 700 centimeter plus 62 centimeter. So what should be the summation? 762 centimeter. This is the answer. If anyone have any problem, repeat this and also write in your copy. I repeat everything and I clearly illustrate what is your done or what should you have to do. Next, 450 centimeter into meter and centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Here 450 centimeter. Now if I write 450 centimeter into meter and centimeter, what I have to do? 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 200 centimeter is equal to 2 meter. So 400 centimeter is equal to 4 meter. Okay. Now if I write that 400 centimeter is equal to 4 meter. So 450 centimeter is equal to 4 meter and 50 centimeter. I think this is clear to everyone. Next, you have to do this right now in your copy. Convert the following lengths into the units indicated. 8 kilometer, 7000 meter into kilometer. 5500 meter into kilometer and meter. 6732 meter into kilometer and meter. 15 meter 25 centimeter into centimeter. 350 centimeter into meter and centimeter. Write this in your copy and show me the answer. Next, addition of length. There are two methods for addition of length. This is method 1. Write this in your copy. Method 1. Add 2 kilometer 145 meter and 1 kilometer 32 meter. First, convert the lengths into meters and then add 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 meter. 2000 meter plus 145 meter. 2145 meter. 1000 kilometer, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1000 meter plus 32 meter, 1032 meter. Now add 2145, that is 2145 meter. I write this. Then 1032 meter, I write this and add 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 3 7, 1, 2 plus 1 3. 3177 meter. 3000 meter, 177 meter. That is 3 kilometer 177 meter. Write this. This is method 1. I repeat the method. First, convert the lengths into meters and then add 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 meter. 2000 meter plus 145 meter to 145 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1000 meter plus 32 meter is equal to 1032 meter. Then add 2145 plus 1032. We get 3 kilometer 177 meter. Now method 2. This is method 2 and write this in your copy as method 2 and do this. Here I have to find 26 meter 86 centimeter and 12 meter 77 centimeter. Arrange the units in columns and add 26 meter 86 centimeter, 12 meter 77 centimeter. Now 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Carry is 1. 8 plus 7 15 plus carry 1 16. So 6 आया इधर. What is the carry? Carry is 1. 1 should be above meter. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 1 9. 2 plus 1 3. And answer should be 39 meter 63 centimeter. Now common mistake. What person do the common mistake? Here 5 meter 50 centimeter, 2 meter 80 centimeter. 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 5 13. If you write 13 here, this should be wrong. Here you have to write 3 here and 1 should be the carry about meter. Remember this. So you have to do how many sums? 3 additions. This is number 3. Do this addition on your copy. This is number 2. Also do this addition on your copy. And this is number 1. You have to do this in your copy. Number 1 have to be done also in method 2. That is write in columns and add. Next, you have to do this as homework. I write this. Do these sums in your notebook. Arrange in columns and add. I have given 4, only 4 sums. 2 kilometer, 482 meter, 3 kilometer, 9 meter, 1 kilometer, 100 meter plus 3 kilometer, 12 meter, 15 centimeter, 88 centimeter, 9 meter, 25 centimeter, 1 meter, 75 centimeter. Do this as homework. Now, what we have learned today? First, we have learned about the tasks, that is, you have to do an activity. What is the activity? The measurement of the heights of the members of your family. Then you have to find who is the tallest member, who is the shortest member, and what is the difference between their heights. Now second, what we do? Second, we have discussed previous day's answer. Now third, what we have done? We have read the story of Jhumpa's reading. Fourth, what we have done? We have done the metric conversion. Next, what we have done? We have done the conversion, that is centimeter to meter, kilometer to meter, etc. Then what we have done? Addition of units. Next, you have to do the homework and then complete all the tasks before attending the next session. Thank you. This is all about today's tasks.